Hi, welcome to Heather's Treasures. We're working on the kitchen counters today. I need 7 3/16 by 6 3/8. So we'll go 7 and hang on a second. 11/16. That was too long, so we're going to go with 7 5/8. I cut the width too short, so 6 3/8, we're going to go 6 5/8. Okay, now we have to get our fingers dirty. We have to seal all of these edges. If you haven't seen the videos previously, this styrofoam melts when you apply nail polish to it. The paper part I'm not worried about so much. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see this little dot right here, but we're going to put a drain in. I wanted to come in and tell you I'm doing a bit of a do-over. This is my foam board, and as you can see, it warped on me. And I could go ahead and put nail polish on this and then glue it down and that would secure it. But I thought, you know, I'm going to try it with some chipboard. So I got some medium weight chipboard out. And I get this off of Amazon. It's probably 1 mil thick. Medium weight. And I glued 3 of them together after I traced them out. And then I went ahead and put this around the edges where it would show. Got it nice and smooth, and now I've painted it white. And it seems to be drying nice and flat. So we're going to go with this one here. And I've already checked it to make sure that it fits. So the next thing we're going to do is do the nail polish marble technique. That looks pretty cool. I'm liking it, guys. Gotta wipe that glue off that oozed out there. And then on the other side. And then we can put the microwave over here. All right. Yay! That looks so nice. Okay, now next week I will put in the crown molding and then the kitchen floor so that we can do the ceiling, a light fixture, and a pot rack. And an exhaust hood. Hopefully I can get that all done in one go around. I'm excited. The kitchen's almost done. You know what? There's no room for a table. That's a tiny kitchen, isn't it? It's still cute. I like it. Thanks for joining me, guys. I really appreciate you stopping and visiting. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who are also miniaturists. Oh, subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos. 1, maybe 2 more videos and the kitchen will be done. I'm close to being done in one room. That's exciting. Okay, enough babbling. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.